Hello all, let's do the quick review of Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speakers. So it comes with a 2500 mAh battery and it comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect multiple devices to it. So let's try to connect it to a TV. Before that, let's see what buttons we have on it. We have volume up and down button, we have play and pause, and we have switch on button. So let's switch it on.
Power on.
So now it's in
Bluetooth
mode. Let's connect it to my TV. Just go to your TV settings, find a Bluetooth option. So here it is, Bluetooth list, and as it is already in pairing mode, it will show the device here. So here it is, Mivi Roam 2. Let's connect to it, pair and connect, and now let's play some music on it. So here it is. So now I'm keeping the volume at 100%. This is how it sounds. It's pretty loud and clear. So if you like this, go ahead and buy it on Amazon. I will be pasting the link below. Thanks for watching the video.